Can you remind me to call Sarah later? I always remember my childhood holidays with fondness. This song reminds me of our trip to Spain last year. Did you remember to bring your keys? Please remind him about the meeting tomorrow. I remember watching that movie last week. She keeps forgetting. Could you remind her to finish the report? I can't remember where I put my wallet. This smell always reminds me of my grandmother's house. I need to remember to buy milk on the way home.